A thermocouple is a temperature measuring device consisting of two dissimilar conductors that contact each other at one junction. It produces a voltage that when the temperature of one of the ends differs from reference temperature at other end of the circuit. This is the diagram showing the thermocouple. Metal A and metal B meets at a junction. Another ends of the metals is connected to a voltmeter to measure the voltage. Thermocouple is based upon the feedback effect. The feedback effect is the conversion of thermal energy or temperature difference directly into electrical energy or electricity. The changes in the voltage is proportional to the temperature difference between the junctions when the ends are connected to form a loop. This is the diagram showing the above sentence. A candle, ammeter, copper wire, reference junction, iron wire or form a circuit. The heat from the one end of the candle passes through the ammeter and then to a copper wire and a reference junction is present. The copper wire and iron wire absorbs heat at different temperatures, and this difference causes the electricity to move through the wire. Principle of operation. The EMF generated by the feedback effect is due to the temperature gradient along the wire. The EMF is not generated at the junction between two dissimilar wires. Applications: steel industry, gas appliance safety, thermopile radiation sensors, manufacturing, power production, thermoelectric cooling, process plants, thermocouple as vacuum gauge and heaters. A thermocouple inside the burner assembly of a water heater. This is the burner and is a thermocouple.